everyone, and welcome to Mastering Cebuano. My name is Simon Dara, and today we're talking about demonstrative pronouns. These are words for this and that. Now, in Cebuano, there are actually three distances used: here, there, and way over there. Normally in English, there's only two: here and there. For here, as in right here with me, we use the word kini or kani. Kini or kani. Where is the difference? Kini is used in a purely descriptive way. You're just describing something. For example, kini lami kaayo. This is very delicious. Or unsa kini. What is this? Kini ang akong balay. This is my house. Dili kini maayo. This is not good. Kani is used for this when you are pointing at something. Takpila kani, how much is this? You're standing in the market, you're pointing at something. How much is this? Takpila kani. Kanilang palihuk. Just this one, please. When you're really pointing at it. Kani ang palita. Buy this one. In fact, these forms just get shortened most of the time in actual speech. So, kini kani becomes ni. So there is no difference between those two. It's just ni. Some examples. Kini lame, lame ni. This is delicious. And lame ni is what you will hear in actual speech. Kini ang tinuot, tinuot ni. This is the truth. This is true. You hear it sounds more, it's shorter, it's more smooth, it's more fluent, and that's what it's all about in real spoken Cebuano. Kani ako ni, this is mine. Kani nindot, nindot ni, this is nice. Note that ni can never be put at the beginning of a sentence. Kini and kani can. That's a big difference. Never put ni at the beginning of a sentence, because people will understand, but they will say, that's really weird. Now, kana. Kana is used when the object of what you're speaking about is near the person you are talking to, your listener. Kana is used in a purely descriptive way or to identify something near the listener, not the speaker. Kana dako kaayo, that is very big. That thing there that you have. Unsa kana, what is that near you? Kana ang imong gusto, that is what you want. Dili kana mao, that is not the one. Kana can also be used when you are pointing at or specifically selecting something near the listener. Takpila kana, how much is that? Kana lang palihuk, just that one near you, please. Kana ang kuhaa, get that one. In actual speech, kana is almost always shortened to na, just like ni, the short form na. It makes no real distinction between descriptive or pointing use. It's the same. Kana dako na, that is big. Kana ang saktong tubag na, that is the right answer. Kana imo na, that is yours. Kana mahal na, that is expensive. Now, just like ni, the word na can never be put at the beginning of a sentence. Kana can start a sentence, but na must lean on a word before it. Now, the third form we have is kadto. It's used when the object is far away from both the speaker and the listener. It's way over there in the distance. Kadto is used to describe or identify something far away. And it's also used to refer to things in the past. Some examples. Kadto taas kaayo. That over there is very tall. Unsa kadto. What was that? What is that thing? And you mean that thing far away then. Kadto ang among eskwelahan. That over there is our school. Dili kadto mao. That was not the one. Kadto is used when pointing at something in the distance or specifically picking out a far object. Takpila kadto, how much is that? That one over there. Kadto lang palihuk, just that one far away, please. Kadto ang palita, buy that one over there. In actual speech, kadto is almost always shortened to to, just like ni and na, the short form to covers it covers both descriptive and pointing contexts. Kadto nindot nindot to. That over there was nice is nice. Kadto layo layo to. That was far is far. Kadto iyaha iyaha to. That is hers or his. Kadto karaan karaan to. That over there is old. And also here, just like ni and na, to can never be put at the beginning of a sentence. Kadto can start a sentence, but to must follow another word. Note that for ease of pronunciation, Cebuanos will often say kadto instead of kadto. It is the same, it's just good so you can recognize this as being the same and not some other words. So kadto, kadto, it's just a sound. Now we have a fourth form, which is ani, ana, or adto. And these are used to mean this one, that one, or like this, like that. So use these only when you are not naming the object. So there is no noun. And the meaning of this one, like this, it refers to something near the speaker, ani. So we have ani first, like this. This is how. Ani. Pagbuhat ani. Do it like this. Gusto nako ani. I like this one. Dili ko ganahan ani. I don't like this one. Ana is in the meaning of that one, or like that. It refers to something near the listener or in mid-distance. Gusto ni mo ana? Do you like that one? Ayaw pagbuhat ana. Don't do it like that. Ana diay na siya. So that's how it is. Ihatak na ana. Give it to that one, the person near you. Meaning that one over there or like over there is for adto. It refers to something far from both, but without a noun. Palihuk kuha'a adto. Please get that one over there. So you don't really name something, you just say that one over there. Tanawa adto, look at that one over there. Adto ang nindot, that one over there is the nice one. See, no noun, then you use ani, anna, and adto. Just like the others, these are often shortened in casual conversation because most Cebuanos shorten everything. So adto can become adto in spoken Cebuano. It's the same word, just it sounds easier. Adto instead of adto. Right. That's it for today for demonstrative pronouns. Now, after this explanation, I will add some tables with an overview of all the forms. You can print screen these if you like, and after those is all the vocab being used in this episode. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep on practicing.